welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing. I just received in the mail the new IPSY box. And before I start, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. If you don't know what IPSY box is, it's a beauty subscription that you get every month. And this one is the IPSY Glam box. And I guess the theme of this month is Discover Yourself. I just want to do this quickly because I know it could take a while. It's always 5 products every month. If I'm not wrong, the Glam box is $25 a month and you get 4 sizes. So yeah, as you can see, this month box is Discover Yourself, and here you have the little card with the 5 products. I'm gonna start right away because I like to keep this unboxing very short. First product in the box, I actually chose this one because they send you an email where you can choose a product, and I chose this one because I tried it before. It was a sample size and I really liked it. It's the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. Is that how you pronounce it? It's the age-defying exfoliator. So it's like a scrub for your face. It's very fine. They're really little grains. I don't know how you call it. It could be a little too harsh. If your skin is very sensitive, I wouldn't recommend it, but for me it worked great. Next we have this IPSY Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. I always like to have eyeliner in my boxes because it's one of the few things I use all the time when I wear makeup. As you may know, I'm not very good at makeup, but the few things I do are very basic, which one of it is eyeliner, and this seems super nice. I tried something else from this brand that I liked. It was something for the eyebrows, if I'm not wrong, so I'll try this. Next we have this palette. It's called Betty Boop for IPSY Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. I like blush because it's again one of the few things I use. And let's see how many blushes are inside. I think 3 from the photos I see here. A lot of packaging. Okay. This is the palette. It's all black with a little Betty Boop in red. And yes, it's 3 blushes, 3 different tones. From the photo it looks much pinkish, like peach almost. Here they're on a darker side. Maybe they're a little too dark for me. I will definitely try them on and see how they are. I'll do a little switch for you on my hand. You probably will see it right now. Then next we have this Jolie Spectra Stick, which I'm telling you right now what it is. So it's a rose quartz eyeliner. Is infused with micro glitter that glides across cheekbones, whatever. So it's a highlighter. The color I got here is the Stella. The packaging is very cute. I like this like opening where you push and push again, it comes out. It's a nice rose color. I'll definitely try it on and see how glittery it is. I don't like to be too glittery on my face because unless I'm going to a party, which I very rarely do, but I'll try it on. Last but not least, we have these Farah brushes Midnight Pro Trio, and there are 3 brushes as you can see here. I don't know this brand, so if you know, please let me know if it's good or not. And these brushes are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and expertly designed for flawless application. That's what it says here. So nice. And actually this month it comes with a little bag. The Betty Boop here, and there's all sequins here in the back that you can like pull up. I already know it's not really my style. I don't really use these little bags, but my daughter, who is like not even 2 years old, she loves these bags and these little pouches thing. So this is gonna be her present. She'll be super excited for it. So as you can see, the box is empty. I unboxed everything. I have to say this month IPSY box was nice too. If I have to choose my favorite product, I'm not gonna put this one because I already knew it, so it's nothing new. I would say the eyeliner, which I always found useful because it's one of the few things I use every time I put makeup on. And I'm really looking forward to use these new brushes because the old one I have are old and they're not good anymore. So yeah, they could have done a little better. I would have liked like some kind of lipstick, but maybe next month. Actually, I will try the highlighter too because it looked like a nice color. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and like I said in the beginning, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I post a lot of different videos, a lot of baking because I'm a pastry chef, and a lot of mom life and DIY projects that I do, so please follow me. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye, have a good day.